Okay, testing it. Okay. Hey guys, it's Maria. Welcome back to the channel. How's it going? I was just making sure it was recording. We are continuing Shinedown's Sound of Madness with Breaking Inside. Now, there are two versions of this. One version is just Shinedown, the original, and the other one is a duet with Lizzie Hale of Hailstorm, which is one of my other favorite female singers. But we're only going to do the solo version today because it's just me. There ain't no sense. By the way, I'm not doing it twice when I go to do the deluxe tracks. So we're just going to skip over this one. But I would highly recommend checking out the Lizzie Hale version if you have a few minutes to kill. Just, if you want to check out something different, something new. So with all that said, shameless plugins. EV Soldier 96's Gaming is where you go for gaming content from moi. From yours truly. Patreon is where I'm going to do the album review for this. So if you want to check out my perspective on the lyrics and all that stuff, go to patreon.com/MariaOrduno. With all that said and done, let me pull back up the lyrics video. And quick shout out to the person that made this lyrics video. I actually had to pull out their name real quick. Sing for the Moment 2313, I believe is the name. I hope you don't mind me using your video, but I thank you for making it so that way I could do this. So, all that said, here we go. Gotta chill, and it's still frozen on my skin. I think about why I'm alone by myself, no one else to explain how far I would go. God knows if the end is so much better than what love has been forever. Don't tell me I'm the last one in line. Don't tell me I'm too late this time. Another day, underneath the shadow of mistakes I made, 'cause I feel like I'm breaking inside. I don't wanna fall and say I lost it all. There's a part of me that hit the wall, leaving pieces of me behind. And I feel like I'm breaking inside. Nothing's clear, except the moment I decided to move on and I ignited, disappeared into the fear. You know there never no coming back, carrying the past you can't erase. Separate, cigarette in my hand, hoping I'll understand. I won't be the last one in line. I finally figured out what's behind. Underneath the shadow of mistakes I made, 'cause I feel like I'm breaking inside. I don't wanna fall and say I lost it all. This baby is a part of me that hit the wall, leaving pieces of me behind. Leaving pieces of me behind. And I feel like I'm breaking inside. I'll be the last one in line. I'm finally figured out what it's behind. I don't wanna live to waste another day underneath the shadow of mistakes I made, 'cause I feel like I'm breaking inside. I don't wanna fall and say I lost it all. This pain is a part of me that hit the wall, leaving pieces of me sing for the moment for the video. Yeah, I know. I can hear y'all in the comments now. I'm trying. I'm trying. Trust me. Now, don't get me wrong. I really like Shinedown. Okay? But that doesn't mean I know every single word of every single song. So if you want to say, well, then you're not a fan of Shinedown. I didn't say I was. I'm not their biggest fan, but I like their music. You know what I mean? I don't mind putting on Second Chance, or I can't tell you how many times I've heard freaking Monster in this house between my bonus mom and my father. Like, oh my god. It gets on my nerves. Now I understand how they feel about Bring Me to Life. That aside, I hope you guys got something out of it. I guess I should have went with the Lizzie Hill version because that's the one I listen to the most. I guess that doesn't really matter really, but nevertheless, hope you guys enjoyed. Gotta move on to the last track of the standard edition, and then some other time I'll try to get into the deluxe edition. So, hope you guys enjoy in the meantime, and see ya.